Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need a device on iOS 18 or later, signed into your Apple ID with iCloud Plus for full Apple Intelligence features. Once you have Wi-Fi and a charged device, open Settings and go directly to Apple Intelligence or Siri and search. Make sure background, app refresh, and location services are available. These let Apple Intelligence access context. Now tap the Apple Intelligence entry to begin the first configuration steps and grant necessary permission. Now configure permissions that let Apple Intelligence personalize responses. Turn the Apple Intelligence toggle on, then accept the overview and privacy options. This is why it asks for access to contacts, photos, mail, messages, and Safari. Once allowed, choose the Siri voice and language so speech feels natural. If you want hands-free use, enable Listen for Hey Siri. Make sure to review on device processing options. Keep more local processing for privacy, but permit cloud features for broader intelligence. Finish by reviewing the summary screen and tapping Done, then immediately test with a simple request like Summarize my last message thread. If responses need tuning, return to Settings to adjust personalized suggestions on device processing or app access levels. Make sure Siri language and voice match your accent for accuracy. If it fails to respond or gives errors, restart the device, sign out and back into your Apple ID, and verify Wi-Fi or cellular. These steps resolve most setup problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.